Hello everyone. Welcome to IHN Academy's UGC NTA English class. In this session, we are discussing about movement poetry. So, what is movement poetry? There was a decline of the new apocalypse. A new apocalypse group of writers were there, and there was a decline of that. So, with the decline of new apocalypse, the movement poetry emerged. So it emerged with the decline of the new apocalypse movement. And they are associated with a literary journal called Horizon. They either wrote or they generally associated with Horizon magazine journal and Stephen Spender. Associated with Horizon and Stephen Spender. Products of the new educational atmosphere that developed under the Labour government. At that time, we had Labour government and in Britain, they had Labour government, and Labour government brought about a lot of educational atmosphere. So, as a result of these educational policies, this movement poetry emerged. And it started with two anthologies. One is Poets of the 50s, published in 1955 and edited by DJ Enright. Another work is New Lines, 1956 work, and it was edited by Robert Conquest. These two works actually laid the foundation for movement poetry. Major poets who belong to this group are Philip Larkin, Thomas Gunn, Elizabeth Jennings, John Holloway, Donald Davy. And what are the features of movement poetry? They were anti-romantic, witty, and colloquial style. They wrote in an anti-romantic manner. It was anti-modernist manner. And they professed no interest in stylistic innovation and neoclassical mode, concerned themselves with reality. And they were not interested in any of these things. They tried to represent the reality of their time. They used conventional verse form. They also made use of poetic form that was governed by theme and mood. They gave importance to theme and mood. That is what they gave importance to. These are the major features of movement poetry. And these are the major movement poets. Philip Larkin, Thomas Gunn, Elizabeth Jennings, John Holloway, and Donald Davy. So this is a basic idea about movement poetry. I hope you understood what movement poetry is. We'll be discussing about the major poets when we go to the course. We'll be discussing about major poets who comes under movement poetry, and we'll be discussing their works as well. Thank you.